Hey yo, what's up? It's Vinny, and yeah, I'm dedicating this video to my babe. And hold on, matter of fact, I'm texting her right now. She's so mean to me. I'm just kidding, babe. But yeah, so she wanted me to do this video for a while, but I haven't got a chance to upload it because my computer is being gay. So yeah, I owe it to her. And yeah, if you don't know who everybody knows who she is. She's this little cute one right here. But yeah, what's she saying? Oh yeah, you better call me. But yeah, babe, so this one's for you. It's Passion Lemonade. Everybody knows that song. So yeah, hope you like it. And yeah, my fault, my room's so messy right now. But yeah, alright, here goes for you, babe. Right? And yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh, never mind. I'll say that later. Sunshine in the rain, yeah. She's telling me when I'm in pain, yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me. Like a tall glass of lemonade, yeah. When it's burning hot on summer days, yeah. It's exactly what I need. The ocean brushing on the sand. She takes care of me, my baby. She helps me be a better man. She's so beautiful, she's beautiful. Sometimes I stop to close my eyes. She's exactly what I need. She's my smile when I'm feeling blue, yeah. Good night sleep when the day is through, yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me. Kinda like a feeling after your first kiss, except that every day she makes me feel like this. It's exactly what I need, oh yeah, oh yeah. She's so soothing, like the ocean rushing on the sand. She takes care of me, my baby. She helps me be a better man. She's so beautiful, she's beautiful. Sometimes I stop to close my eyes. She's exactly what I need. She's my sunshine in the rain, yeah. I know when I'm in pain, oh yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me, oh me, oh me. Like a tall glass of lemonade, yeah. When it's burning out on summer days, yeah. Exactly what I need, I need, I need. She's so soothing, like the ocean's rushing on the sand. She takes care of me, my baby. She helps me be a better man. She's so beautiful, she's beautiful. Sometimes I stop to close my eyes. She's exactly what I need. Like a tall glass of lemonade, yeah. Burning out on summer days, yeah. Exactly what I need. Alright, that one's for you, babe. So yes, you haven't texted me back. I don't know why. It took you forever. But yeah, Alright, check it out. It's gonna be on my YouTube channel. I got a new one, so it's vinnieillminded, so go check it out. More videos up on post. And yeah, more videos to you, babe. So, what else I gotta say? Call me, don't forget. Alright. So yeah, I'll talk to you later, and I'll catch you later on MySpace or phone. Alright. Bye.